Hello, my name is Neil Getia. Today's question is 7. Reverse integer. Given us in 32 base integers, value is written is x. Assume the environment does not allow you to store 64 bits. Integers string or not unstring. Example 1. Input S equals to 1 to 3. Output is 3 to 1. Example 2. Input H equal to minus 1 to 3. Output is subtraction 3 to 1. Example 3. Input H equal to 1 to 0. Output is 2 1. 0 is not included. Code integer reminder answer equal to 0 while loop h curly bracket reminder equals to h modulo 10 h equal to h division 10 if condition answer greater than answer less than bracket integer match modulo 10 answer greater than integer mean return 0 value answer equals to answer multiplication 10 plus reminder return answer. Output while is s curly brackets is reminder s division is 10 s equal to s division modulo 10 if condition is answered less than integer match division 10 answer greater than integer mean curly bracket return 0 ans equals to ans multiplication 10 addition reminder return ans output is case 1 1 2 3 output is 3 to 1 case 2 subtraction 1 to 3 subtraction 3 to 1 case 3 1 to 0 output is 2 1